get everyone's mouth watering over this classic Hunter's Plum Pudding. It is bursting with fruity flavors from dried fruits that will make you want for more. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, add the unsalted butter, granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, ground nutmeg, baking soda, milk, and egg. Whisk to combine. Then, add in the whole wheat bread, raisins, and nuts. Toss to coat. Now carefully pour the mixture into a greased baking casserole and spread evenly. Bake it in the oven for 60 to 70 minutes, then allow to cool down at room temperature. Serve it with orange sauce and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.